everyone. Thank you. Respected Pawar sir, Kore sir, Herde sir, Mahape sir, Darvi sir, and Professor Shimpri sir, and Nimbalkar sir. Thank you for inviting me over here. I'll communicate in English. Okay? Everyone is okay with that? Thank you. Basically, it's a very proud moment for me being here. My father used to work here as a professor in 90s, and because of that, during my school period, I've spent a whole hell lot of time in this college. It's like a second home to me. Being here on the dais with all the dignitaries is really very proud. Lots of things I was going to discuss with you, but our dignitaries have already told you lot many good things which I was supposed to say. I will try to explain you how you can make your careers in this field. Basically, right now there is very negative environment about school teachers everywhere. Right? This environment is built by those teachers themselves. The reason when you become a teacher, you never cease to become a student. That is where everyone goes wrong. Once you have completed your BEd, you are becoming a teacher, people stop learning altogether. And right now, the generation which you are going to teach is highly active generation, you can say hyperactive generation or supersonic generation. You cannot compete with them because you are competing with Google, you are competing with Wikipedia, right? So here you don't have an option of teacher who is not a student. You have to be a student in this time. If you are not learning or at all, then you will not be able to stand in front of the students, you won't be able to guide them. And then you won't be favorite teachers of them, which is very important. Everyone remembers one or the other teacher of their school time. Right? Everyone remembers. The reason why we remember is there are two basic qualities of those teachers. They were very compassionate and they were always ready to answer us. Whatever we wanted, they were there to answer us. That is the basic reason we know them. So learning throughout your teaching is very important. Right now it's a great moment you people have completed your bachelor's degree. Right? Today is a convocation day. You are getting your degrees. But what next? There are not many avenues for you in future. You are going to teach in CBSE schools, ICSE schools, state board schools are getting brand new process day by day. They are improving a lot on the teaching methodologies. So to be in touch with them, to be in pace with them, you have to keep doing something or the other. There are so many things you can achieve throughout your careers. Being passive is not going to work for you. You have to be active about things. You have to take part other than what you teach. There are so many different activities which happen in school. The thing is, very less number of teachers are involved in those activities. Again, whatever subjects you are teaching, you can go for different kind of diploma curriculums for them. Like for English, you can go for an English diploma curriculum so it becomes easier to teach English. For science students, you can go around and study different developments in science going on through the world. Right now, science is a booming field, technology is a booming field. Daily there are so many new things. So, if you keep learning all these things, it will be better. You will be able to communicate with your students. The more you communicate with your students, they get bonded and then you get a very good result out of it. As sir said, the generation which is coming to study under you is somewhat disrespectful generation. They are not controlled by anyone. So controlling them is very difficult. And the key to that is you have to be more smarter than them. The more smartness you gain, the kids will respect you and they will be under your control over this. So try to achieve more education. There are lot many things you can do. As I said, there are diploma curriculums, there are postgraduate curriculums. As sir said, you can go for MPhil, MEd, you can go for PhD. Don't stop learning ahead. If you stop learning, then you will start you won't enjoy your teaching anymore. It will be a routine activity for you, and then Day by day you will go into stress and depression. This is a big trouble with teachers right now. The reason behind this is they are not doing any other activity than teaching. There are so many activities which can be done in the school. You are becoming a teacher, that doesn't mean only that subject you have to teach. You can do other extracurricular activities in the school that will help you gel well with your students, and that will help you de-stress in the school as well and your career as well. So many things we have to achieve, but many times it happens that for getting bread and butter, we choose a different track and we go on that track only. But in that track also you can do so many different things. Now basically my business is education consultation, but I didn't start with this. I was attracted to this because I belong from an educationist family. My parents both are from education field. Mother retired as a principal of a school, father retired as a principal of a PR college. My better half is also into education. My brother is also in education. So I belong from the education family. So when I started with my computer education business, ultimately I was attracted to more and more things in this field. I studied a lot, and today by God's grace I am able to guide thousands of students yearly. Almost 1,000 to 2,000 students visit our office to get guidance from us. They do different curriculums from our offices. They are not only into computer education anymore. They are more into regular education like your graduation, master's degrees, your PhDs, MEd, BEd, law, all these curriculums are conducted at our place. This change happened because I studied all these fields and I started working in them. Same way, right now the great need in every school is of a counselor. So this is again a field which people can tap. There are so many curriculums in school counseling, child psychology. Any one curriculum if you do, it will be an added thing for you in that school. Because you will be able to do dual roles in your school. There are curriculums in library science which you can do. They can help you out in your day-to-day activity. In many schools, one of the teacher manages the library. If he is a library science student, if you are studying library science, it will be helpful to him. So these are the things which you should add to your resume. It will help you out in your careers. Okay. With that, I will end my words and thank you everyone. Thanks a lot.